Here we are in the kitchen with Executive Chef Filippo Piccini.
I'll help you out with the name. Amatriciana is what we're doing today. So we're gonna need guanciale. I already introduced to you guys. Guanciale is the cheek of the pork. So this is what it look like. We're gonna need pomodori pelati. I already grated and mixed grana padano and pecorino romano. I'm going to use this packery today from Gragnano. That's kind of a twist. It's not the traditional pasta, is spaghetti or mezze maniche. A little bit of white wine and sea salt. I already salted and put my water on boiling. This amazing chili pepper is gonna flavor the sauce, and then we're gonna take it away. I will eat it alone. So let's start making the guanciale crispy and crunchy. Clean it up. Don't leave any yellow part. I'm doing only one portion, so we don't need that much. Most important thing is clean the guanciale from all the yellow part. We want just the pink and the white, because the yellow is oxidated. It's not good anymore. Make some slice. So turn on the fire, and without any other fat, put the guanciale in. See, the color is talking to you itself. It's done. You can see it. Perfect coloration. So at this point, we have separated the grease, and we have our crunchy guanciale. And we're gonna use the white wine to stop the cooking, cool it down. Now we're gonna take all the guanciale out. Be sure that you use a ceramic. Here we have our flavor on this pan, and we're gonna do the sauce. The chili pepper goes in. It's gonna season, and then we're gonna take it out. And now we go with the tomato. Crush with a fork or a spoon. They're gonna melt and go back on fire with a low flame. So now all the flavor, the grease from the guanciale is gonna season the tomato. Now it's time to put the pasta in the water. So boiling point, pasta in, and start to count. This is long cooking pasta, as 30 minutes, almost rice. Let's talk more about the ingredient. Pecorino, which is need to be pecorino romano. Usually it's the only cheese involved in this recipe. This time I found this pecorino very salty, so I add a little percentage of grana padano, which is gonna smooth it out a little bit the flavor. White wine is a Vermentino in this case, but any good wine without breaking the bank is gonna do the job. Look how beautiful is this pasta. We stop the cooking at 5 minutes, and we let the water cool down with the pasta inside. There is a reason to do that, so we don't stress the pasta, especially with a very delicate pasta. Now turn off the fire because we're gonna add the cheese. That's where our Amatriciana sauce take its life. Guanciale back in. We leave just one to top the pasta. Perfetto. I actually did only one portion, but it comes out that I have to share it. Let's do one for me and one for my anchorman, Randy.
Grazie.
Say once again, Amatriciana.
Amatriciana.
Great. You deserve one portion.
Thank you. Incredible.
Unusual packery with Amatriciana sauce. Buon appetito.
Grazie, chef. Amazing. You're a magician.